OnePlus' next tablet is a budget model called the OnePlus Pad Go. The 11.6-inch, mid-tier entertainment tablet will be cheaper than the OnePlus Pad. It will have an 11.6-inch 2.4K screen with a 144Hz refresh rate, according to the article, and will launch with OnePlus Oxygen OS 13. It's not clear when it's coming or for how much, though. OnePlus President Kinder Lu is quoted as saying it will be a mid-tier entertainment tablet. The Pad Go's reported 2800 by 2000 resolution matches the OnePlus Pads, and it looks almost identical, with curved edges, an iPad-like bezel, and a large rear camera centered along the long edge. The biggest visible difference is the two-tone look on the back. Also, like the OnePlus Pad, the Pad Go will apparently get the company's Apple-like ecosystem features that let you sync content, copy and paste, and handle phone calls across OnePlus devices. Its expected price is going to be $479 US, which seems to be a little bit expensive. As soon as it launches on October 2nd, we will upload a full review on this channel, so subscribe to Mr. Fone channel so we can remind you to check its full specs.